Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign into Quest Diagnostics. Quest Diagnostics is a leading provider of diagnostic information services. They offer a wide range of laboratory tests and services, including blood tests, genetic tests, and other diagnostic services to help doctors, hospitals, and patients make informed healthcare decisions. Quest Diagnostics operates numerous laboratories and patient service centers across the United States and internationally, providing services that aid in the detection, diagnosis, and treatment to diseases and medical conditions. Now, dive into the video. You have to just simply click on the login button at the top right corner of your screen and you will see the three types of service they are providing for you. One for patients and for healthcare professionals and for other tools. Now click for patients or whether according to your needs. If you have already an account created on Quest Diagnostics, then enter your cardinals and click on sign in button and you will logged into the Quest Diagnostics dashboard. But today in this video we will going to talk about how to create an account on Quest Diagnostics. You have to just click on this create an account option and they will redirect you to an form page. Here it is. You have to choose an username and a password. Now I'm going to enter my username and password, and for confirming my password I have to retype my password again. Remember, the password should be of 8 characters and a mix of numbers and the special characters. You have to add some numbers and some special characters or symbols that you recognize or remember easily. Here we go, we have fulfilled the first form. Now it's time to tell them about myself. Example for first name, my last name, my city, my date of birth, my gender, and this type of personal details. After completing this step, you can just simply click on next and you have to complete the step 2 as well. In this step, you just need to give them the information about your locations, like your street address, your cities, your state, your zip code, phone number, and its type. That's mean the number is from mobile or landline. Then you have to enter your email, and besides this blank you have to re-enter your email for confirming this email. Then you just need to click on this little checkbox. That means you will allow them to send you emails and other information through the emails or the phone number. As you can see, I have completed step 2 properly with my location information. Now I'm going to click on this next button. Then you just need to fulfill the step 3 as the step 1 and 2. In this step you just have to review your information, that is this correct or you need any change. If you think that you have anything wrong here, then you can edit by clicking on this pen icon that already named edit. Now click on create account button. Here we go, we have successfully created our account on Quest Diagnostic. You also can create account of the other two options, and you also can schedule a appointment. Then they will ask you for completing your profile with in-depth informations. Now we are booking a specialist for our patients. For booking a specialist for your patients, you have to go through 4 steps. First, who's visiting. Second, reason for visiting. Third, location, date and time. And fourth, insurance information. That's all everybody. It's as simple as you see in this video. If you found this video helpful, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon. We will meet you again. Till then, goodbye.